All right, in this video, we're going to talk about black walnuts. If you have a tree on your property that yields black walnuts, and you'll know this because right before winter, every fall, you're going to get a ton of these black walnuts just dropping and kind of getting all over your lawn. And if you don't pick them up, it's going to do its job. They're built to develop this nasty, sticky stuff on the outside, and it kills the grass around it, and thus procreating in its own natural way, right? So these are the black walnuts, and what I've done is put them into a stainless steel perforated container and got out the old power washer, and you basically clean these up because, again, this is the clean black walnut, clean and dry. And if you don't do this, you're going to get a hot mess of black, sticky kind of residue, if that makes sense. And what we're going to be doing is cracking these open and actually eating them. Woohoo! So there is the power washer, and I set them in front of the dehumidifier too for a full day so that they would dry out, having that air blow on it. You can certainly use a fan as well. Once they're all clean and dry on the outside, it's time to take them to the workbench, and we can actually put them into the vise for the cracking. Now you can take your nut cracker, your handheld, but good luck with that, right? So here's the most efficient way that we have found. It involves the vise, and we've got the whole family here working, as you can see. So there you go. This is cracked open, and this is the black walnut that it yields. Now, if you have a squirrel handy, yes, a squirrel, this would be ideal because squirrels are just built for this. You don't have to crack it open with a vise and then get out your, tools and kind of pick them out. So recruit any squirrels that you may know to sit alongside you here. But for the rest of us, we don't have that privilege. So this is what it involves. And I'm not going to lie to you. It's not an easy, quick process, right? There's a reason why a bag of black walnuts, which, by the way, are chock full and packed with protein and quite delicious, in my opinion. But there's a reason why they're so expensive in the store. So the idea is to find the sweet spot, and you can experiment with where you put the shell in the vise if you want to put it from pole to pole, for example, or have it go parallel with the ridge of your vise. But you can see it kind of shatters and explodes, right? So put your hand underneath and over it, kind of cup it as you do it. That would be one tip. You're not going to worry about pinching your finger in the vise because you're controlling the vise, right? You're putting that pressure on, so it's not like it's a quit. You're not going to risk pinching yourself. And you can see here, you can buy a bag. This isn't the black walnuts, just a bag of walnuts at Costco. So it's a bit hilarious how so much effort can yield so little. But still, it's kind of fun. And if you're looking for a way to spend, a couple of hours, you can certainly make some progress and do this yourself. So here's a look at the vise again. Nice and slow, cup it underneath and over. And you can certainly put a bag underneath too, because it'll make a little bit of a mess. So have your shop vac handy once you're all done, and just expect it to be a little bit messy. You'll get some shells here and there. If you get lucky, or once you kind of find a rhythm, you'll be able to shatter it without it exploding, break it without it shattering, and you'll be able to carry it all in one piece to your work table, and then you can kind of pluck them out just like this. And after about 20 or so, this is what you get. It's about a half a cup or so, maybe slightly less. And you just keep on going, and that is the video. Hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks.